Good morning, students. Today we will continue differentiability. Today we will solve few more examples on differentiability. So here given function is given example is differentiate root of 3x plus 2 with respect to x. So solution here given function is consider y is equal to square root of 3x plus 2, and we know that if y equal to root x, then differentiation of this one, derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2 root x. So comparing these two equations, in place of x we have 3x plus 2. In place of x we have 3x plus 2. So the derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root 3x plus 2 and into d by dx of 3x plus 2. Okay, so this implies 1 upon 2 root 3x plus 2 into 3x differentiation is 3 plus 2 is constant, derivative of constant is 0. Here in place of x we have, suppose if y equal to root u, the derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root u into d by dx of u, du by dx. So in place of u we have 3x plus 2. So that's why here du by dx. Okay. So after simplification we get 3 divided by 2 into 3x plus 2. This is our derivative of the given function. Right. Consider next example. Differentiate differentiate 1 upon square root of 2x square plus 4 with respect to x. So again solution. Here given function consider y is equal to 1 upon square root of 2x square plus 4. This 1 upon square root of 2x square plus 4 can also be written as 2x square plus 4 whole to the power minus 1 by 2. Next, here we know that if y equal to u to the power n, then derivative of this function dy by dx is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx. Here we have y equal to, we have y equal to 2x square plus 4 whole to the power minus 1 by 2. So comparing these two, we have in place of u 2x square plus 4 and in place of n we have minus 1 by 2. So the derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2, because n we have minus 1 by 2. So n equal to n into u to the power n minus 1, that is 2x square plus 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into d by dx of 2x square plus 4. Because of u we have 2x square plus 4. Now simplify this one. Minus 1 by 2 into 2x square plus 4 whole to the power minus 3 by 2. After simplifying this power, we get minus 3 by 2 into differentiation of 2x square is 4x plus differentiation of 4, that is derivative of constant, is 0. So 0. So this equal to minus 1 by 2 into 4x into 2x square plus 4 whole to the power minus 3 by 2. Here 2 and 4 get cancelled, we get minus 2x into 2x square plus 4 whole to the power minus 3 by 2. This is our solution. So ನೋಡಿ next example, differentiate cos of sin x square with respect to x. Solution. Their given function is, consider y equal to cos of sin x square, and we know that cos u differentiation. Cos u, we know that if y equal to cos u, then derivative of this function dy by dx is equal to cos minus sin u into du by dx. So after simplifying, we get, so comparing here, cos u, in place of u we have sin x square, so cos differentiation is minus sin of sin x square into d by dx of sin x square, because in case of u we have sin x square. Okay. So this implies dy by dx is equal to minus sin of sin x square into, again here sin u formula. Sin u formula we know that is if y equal to sin u, then differentiation of sin u is dy by dx is equal to cos u into du by dx. Note it down. Okay, here sin u, in place of u we have x square, so into differentiation of sin is cos, that is cos x square into d by dx of x square. In place of u we have x square, comparing these two. This implies minus sin of sin x square into cos x square into differentiation of x square is 2x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 2x into sin of sin x square into cos x square. This is our solution. Note it down. Next example, differentiate sin of cos x square. Sin of cos x square with respect to x. So solution, here given function is y equal to sin of cos x square, and we know that if y equal to sin u, then derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to cos u into du by dx. And also we know that y equal to cos u, then derivative of this function dy by dx is equal to minus sin u into du by dx. By using these two formula, we are going to solve this one. So here dy by dx is equal to, first we will compare these two. In place of u, we have cos x square. In place of these two, u equal to cos x square. So differentiating this one, sin differentiation is cos into cos of cos x square into d by dx of u, that is cos x square. This first step over. And again comparing these two, in place of u we have again here x square. dy by dx is equal to cos of cos x square as it is, first function as it is. Then differentiation of this one. Differentiation of cos is minus sine. In place of u we have x square, so sine of x square into d by dx of x square. So now simplify, we get dy by dx is equal to cos of cos x square minus sin x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. So therefore solution is dy by dx is equal to minus 2x into cos of cos x square into sin x square, because here minus sin x square, so minus, take it first, so minus 2x cos of cos x square into sin x square. This is our required solution, right? Next example. Differentiate sec of tan root x with respect to x. And we know that if y equal to sec u, sec, it is in the third two part. That is the differentiation of this function dy by dx is equal to sec u into tan u into du by dx, because we know that the third two part are a product of two functions, derivatives are a product of two functions. So therefore sec u into tan u into du by dx. Here given function is consider y is equal to sec of tan root x. In place of comparing these two, y equal to sec u and y equal to sec of tan root x. In place of u we have tan root x. Then derivative of this function dy by dx is equal to sec of tan root x into tan of tan root x into du by dx, that is u, in place of u we have tan root x. Next again we know that y equal to tan u, then derivative of this function tan u du by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to tan u differentiation, third one, that is sec square u into du by dx, because third one is the square of the function, so sec square u into du by dx. Comparing these two, we have in place of u we have root x and derivative of tan is a secant square. So this implies dy by dx is equal to sec of tan root x into tan of tan root x into derivative of tan is a secant square of root x into d by dx of root x. This is equal to sec of tan root x as it is into tan of tan root x, same, secant square root x as it is, derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. This is our required solution. So write it down. Next example, this is for homework. Differentiate 2 root of cot x square with respect to x. This is a homework. Try that.